everyone, this is Vicky. Today I'm ready to introduction to industry trends for PoE camera. At present, the basic function of PoE camera are similar, but some features have their own advantage. For example, this PoE bullet camera, the most basic function is two-way audio, human detection, and remote control. Besides this, it also has special AI function such as red blue light alert. That means when someone is detected at night, the red blue light will light up with white light, show full color night vision. The red blue light will keep flashing. Play a warning law. We are from Pino Security Company. I'm here for waiting for you. Hope we can help you. Hi everyone, this is Vicky. Today I'm ready to introduction to industry trends